I practiced Buddhism, Taoism, and Confucianism. So I came across Buddha, 老子、庄子、孔子、孟子but not yet Jesus Christ. But there are so many people follow him. They must have some reason behind. Okay, just take a look. There are so many people believe in Jesus Christ. If we include the Catholics, so why so many people get something from Jesus Christ? Christian, of course, they don't know other religions, don't know Chinese culture, don't know philosophy. However, they can communicate to God. I can communicate to the Spirit. I can reach to different stages of level of religious experience, but I cannot communicate to God. They can communicate to God only. They don't know others. But I know all others, but not God. So there must be something different. There must be a way to God. I know that all the Buddhist, Taoist, and Confucianist philosophy is a description of your creation. But there must be something more. I hope that I can communicate to you. How can I communicate to you? And then triograms and hexagrams. In the I Ching, yin and yang are represented by broken and solid lines. The ancestor worship, so we participate and relate to Qingming, all these kind of things. When they promote the inner energy and activate the spirit and open to the spiritual world and then encounter certain spirits,